Hey guys. Whew. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I am back. And I hope that there is still that someone running in at the background because I just get the notification. I see this is Kim. I know this is gonna be fun and this is gonna be a banger. I'm so happy to be back. Whew. Whew. I'm excited. I am thrilled to be back. I'm so sorry. I've been missing in action. So guys, say from a classroom drama. I know for the semester stand up here so. Something I go down. Say somebody get pranked. So yashes. Alright guys, so somebody getting pranked today. But before I go in all of the details and all that good stuff, I want to welcome me back. Yes, and I want to welcome back my Kim squad. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I'm back. We're back. The ball is rolling. Before you guys ask, yeah, I know the Rich Family and the Maid should be out. You guys should have already gotten that. But the thing is, before we gave you the part 1, we were working on it for a little bit, making sure that everything is good and it really shell and bam. So really that we are trying to do part 2. Just want to make sure I say it really shot and deliver. I know a couple persons are going to ask me about it, but it are come. But rest your child for it are coming. Yes! So, let's get into what's happening today. So this is a prank today, guys. Do you remember that prank I did on Sean? I mean, about the courage in our clothes and whatever. Yeah, we did like it. I had a blast. I enjoyed myself. So I'm gonna do that on DJ. So I'm so excited. So we went out into town. We got some groceries and we're back. Because COVID is out and it's running rampant. So when you go out, you have to come in, you have to shower, you have to wash your hands, you have to wash your hair, all that good stuff all over again. So I'm gonna bed. But of course I'm bored. I'm gonna have nothing to do. Rain or fall. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna pick the courage to wet and everything. But to let not try me when I'm out there. But yes, so pick a courage and definitely I'm gonna watch me for bed. I'm gonna just rub it up in my clothes. I'm gonna put it in my underpants. I'm a little bit nervous. Because never prank DJ yet, so I'm not really sure what the reaction I'm gonna go. But I know it's gonna be crazy fun. It's a risk I am willing to take for my squad. Big up yourself, everybody. If this is your first time watching a video from me, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I promise you all heap of good things keep over here. So welcome. Mwah. Welcome to my channel. If you are A1 from day one, big up a nice clean shelf, grab a sheet, grab some water, and let's get into the video. Mwah. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Let's get into the video, right? DJ, hurry up. Yeah, me want be too. Yeah. Me know my shower and go and for nothing. Alright. I'm not sure if rubbing it in and close when I film is a good idea because it will wait the job. Yeah. You want to sing and you like to play music when you bed. So. Oh. His underpants. So. Yeah. And I say I basically battery rider this year because I don't understand. Have no leg as it started down. A battery rider. Anyway. Make sure I put it on the wrong side. And rub it up. I know what kind of battery rider underpants this DJ in. I can thinking nice. Oh, you can't see what I do. Alright, guys. Whoa. Shit. You know what? Wait there. I don't have no bag to rub it up, so. Whew. Yeah. Y'all can see. Ooh. Shit, scratch your fat. Ring you up. Ooh, are we getting this? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So guys. Yes. Yeah. Alright, so the floor kind of green up. Yeah. The leaves then, whatever. I'm just gonna ensure that I sweep it back. DJ! Hurry up now! Guys, I'm gonna hide. Yeah, me a cook! Food. Damn crazy. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna hide the camera in his room. I'm gonna hide the camera in here somewhere. Let's have a blast. Alright guys, so I've hidden the camera. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna exit the room because it don't look weird if him finish bed in here. So me go in my room. Let's see.
Oh Lord! Don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Shall ever catch me cheating? She a go pop me. RWC. Yo? Yeah. That's so close. Me a forward there. No, sir. Boy, you turn good. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, dog. Mm. I'm gonna be good. What is this? Kim! Yeah. Boy. Yeah? No, nothing. Kim?
Yeah.
Wait, Mr. Nagota, no, Mr. Uncle.
Alright guys, so he gone outside for whatever reason. So make carry the camera go in my room. Cause me know say when the catching start, he will come in my room. I'm not always in a film room. So
Hey, Kim!
oi!
Wait there.
I'm room.
Wait, relax. That's not right.
Now go back and use the bathroom. You know come in one bed.
Yeah? You mean use the vacuum? Kim, Priya, watch out. They must say, why you sitting there again? What do you call it? You sit down with Corona.
What?
Corona.
I'm going to say ask me there.
No, this is not righteous. Watch
I'm
out.
going to say ask me.
I swear, hey, Kim, they're sitting there, what do you call it? No.
Why are you doing that?
Yo, me tell you say, yo, me just done, yo, me didn't know there's something that going on. You see me and soap them?
What happened to you?
Kim, no, actually not. Me go for this soap.
Where you go?
This soap, wait there.
With soap or what? Look like you're allergic to his soap, so.
Just pull this soap, you see?
Yeah.
No, me can't like a coat.
One.
Watch here. And me back a catch me. Let me a soap. Hey.
One to you.
Yo, friend, me tell you, say, he come and let me get somebody disease. Yo, it's like...
What's wrong with you, DJ?
Me just done... Me just done get a while ago, you see?
Come not about to go to your party in
Man.
Come not to go to your party in front of you.
Watch it. Me go beat a while ago. And beat a coat and me alright, you know? As me put on me, as me dry off so. Run them park. And me back. Jesus Christ.
You think you behave like you're idiot. That the first time you behave and your first portion of beard good. When you say wash your rag, you know say if you don't wash your properly, your skin is catching in the face.
No, Kim, man.
What is
What is not righteous?
Run up there, so.
What is not righteous? What is
Because
not
now you got dig on, now you got drop off with you.
What is not?
So you dig out your body so far?
Kim, a full body. What do you mean? Jesus Christ. Panisha.
DJ.
No. Where phone? Let me call it. Let me phone there. What you not supposed to catch? What do you mean?
Then the easy thing if you don't be a good enough.
What do you mean? So what am I supposed to catch me, sir?
Did you bathe properly?
Come on. Panisha, watch the style. Watch the style.
Watch the
style.
That's so disgusting.
No, what you mean disgusting, friend? Me there. You see? And watch her. I'll bump to bump. Watch her. I'll bump, you know?
I'll show you, Matty.
No, but I dash walk here. I'll bump, you know?
In your bottom. DJ bump into your bottom.
What I'm going to let you on the backyard with me here,
Yes.
Alright, now fix you know. Watch out.
Jamaica
Just smell like, yo, me tell you, it's what make me sweat different.
What is what to make a sweat, DJ? So clean germs.
What? No, sir.
No, not be again.
No, sir. No. This is not righteous.
Don't be again.
Up your star, catch me.
Don't be again, DJ.
Give me a little of the alcohol. Look at sanitizer.
You don't throw the alcohol in your bottom? You ever put in your bottom?
What do you mean? I make you whatever, I make your body here. Oh my, no man, you see, Kim, go on your phone, you see? And look for the people where me. I call them you know?
Let me call me a crutch. How about it again, DJ?
Give me done, you know.
How about it again now?
Give me that, yeah, man.
Where you go do?
No. Alice, give me soap.
I'm not having soap. Where you go to call in your company?
Actually, you didn't even know me. Hey.
Do you even have their number?
Hey.
Oh, they're cool.
Hey. I can sue them, I get money for you, know?
You can sue them for what? Your beard?
But you're not easy, my beard. And
You don't even smell like soap.
What's your
One.
You know what? Because my brother said rate me, you know. Brother said rate me, you know.
What was that about?
Yeah?
You gonna have argument with me because you scratch?
You mean everything good, you know? Good, yeah, everything good, man.
What was scratch about them?
You mean? Now have nobody argument with me. Now have nobody argument with me. None.
So when you argue with me now for because your body catch you?
Oi.
And me a catch your body?
Oi. Bother with it. No bother with
Body
it.
go to dirty.
Don't. Yo.
Come here, DJ.
It's not righteous, Kim.
A little courage in your shots.
What do you mean?
A little courage in your shots, man. Go on. Go on. A little courage, DJ. Go on, man.
Hey, what you mean?
Ah! A little courage, DJ. I joke me I make.
No, hey.
Come here.
What you say?
Come here. That's $100.
100 friend with 5,000 you want.
What you could draw me a make, man?
Friend, let me show you that vibes. Here come the day after that I this is I'll be catching up.
Where you there?
What you mean?
How you could draw me a make?
Kim, you're not. You wanna run and joke
I
them, man?
say Team Kim, come.
You wanna run and joke Team Kim? Hey.
Okay, guys. Come on, you know a long time I not post one video. Where you go?
What you mean? Where you mean? I go? Hey.
So, guys. I had a good time. I don't know about y'all, but I hope that you guys had fun. Just go and go bed again. Hurry up to make me bed after. Come on, use the bathroom too. I hope you guys.
Watch me, yo.
What is it? I hope you guys had fun. It ain't nothing but a little itch. If you're itching, go and bathe, right? Guys, of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, subscribe to DJ and Charm, guys. Woo! Woo! Y'all know I'm the queen at this kind of thing. I'll see you next time on another video. Big up on yourself. I love you guys. Mwah!